What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You are free to do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day, guys. First, we'll look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. Then we'll look at the prices in a little bit of details. Like I said, for me to trade, I don't need rocket science. I just need a few things. The moving ribbon, moving average, public sentiment, and then MACDs and RSIs. Those are the things that I use to trade. Other people might find other things much more accurate, but for me, those things work. And then after that, we'll look at my positions, okay? Which what I want you guys to do is try to compare. If you followed me in the trade, try to compare to see whether we're going up, down, left, right, whatever that is happening in the market. Anyways, before we get there, guys, this is something that people have been waiting for the longest. And finally, we have confirmation that smart contracts are about to get added to Casper by the end of the year, which means we have 2 months top. 2 months and we're about to see smart contracts on the Casper network. And you know what that will bring, because I told you guys, whatever that you see right now, the KRC20, the Casplex and all that stuff, those are not the real smart contracts. Those were just inscriptions. And guys, boy oh boy, they are killing it, because the number of transactions right now on the blockchain using the KRC20 is going up. This is the first time in the cryptocurrency history that we've seen a chain grow up almost 50 times. Okay, the ecosystem growing almost 50 times. You understand? So, and that we still on that 1 block per second. Okay, Bitcoin is what? Every 10 seconds, every 10 minutes. I can't really tell. It's Ethereum, the same thing. Every 12 seconds, 12 minutes, or whatever they call it. That's how slow they are compared to Casper. It's like you are comparing a bus route with Uber. That's what you get. And the most excited part about this is that the Crescendo upgrade is here. They're about to start integrating the Crescendo upgrade, which will be 10 blocks per second. 10 blocks per second. You are talking about instant, like millions of transactions per second. If you thought that Casper was already fast, oh my God, Casper is about to be on steroids. That's what's happening right now. Okay, we're about to see projects start to take up on this Casper chain in the way that you are not even expecting. For me, I will say it again. Without this main smart contract, for me, Casper still on testnet. What you're looking at right now with the KRC20s, it is just the test of what is about to come. Okay, so you got people like the KII. Okay, they've made it clear. They've made it clear there is almost $1 trillion market cap on carbon credits alone. Just on carbon credit, guys. And now imagine when all that stuff gets on the Casper ecosystem, the only thing holding them right now are the smart contracts, which that, like they said on the AMA. I'm about to show you guys a clip right now. In the AMA, they said by the end of the year they're going to have it. Okay, you know what? Let me just play that for you right quick. Give me a second. Where is it? Right here. Let's take it here. Okay, just listen to this.
Before I let you go, going into the end of 2024, we got 2 months left. Into 2025, what are some of the things you're excited about for Casper, the network, the ecosystem, going into the end of this year, next year, And if you have any alpha, any nuggets, you can share with us. You know your community is super passionate. They're super. They're very. They have Caspa's back, right? Majority of them who don't just look at price and then go to Twitter and cry, which I know the people watching this video aren't those people. But what are some of the exciting things you guys are looking for? And is there any alpha you can give us?
Yeah, so I would say here's one thing that's neat is right now the KRC20 and Casplex, all of the meme tokens, those are happening as a function of Casplex, which is an inscription technology. So for me, I think of that almost like an appetizer until the main course comes at the restaurant or whatever. So the main course would be, in this case, smart contracts. So Anton, also known online as Aspect, he's one of the core developers of Caspa, and he's also created the web wallet and the KDX and the KNG wallets. He has a large, comprehensive package and proposal for the creation of a smart contract platform on Caspa. And that was presented in Hong Kong, I think last week or 2 weeks ago, to Caspa Ecosystem Foundation and some other people and entities. And so it looks like that's getting firmed up, and it was a fantastic meeting, and it's looking like it's going to solidify and begin work on the smart contract platform. That's super neat. And then another thing is that KEF, the Caspa Eco Foundation, has been in talks. We're in a room with a household name of crypto to provide like market making, liquidity, and foundation wallet management. So I can't say who that is right now, but that should help things out a lot as well.
And I don't even know if you can answer this question, but when could we potentially expect to get that name or that info revealed? Will you think it'll happen by the end of this year, next year?
I would say end of the year. Yeah, I don't see why not.
Amazing. Chad, what about you, brother? What do you got for us, man?
Yeah, those are two biggies. I mean, I'm more in the marketing adoption outreach space, but I'm excited about the continued growth of our ambassador program. And I don't know if you've followed socials, but we've got some parties popping up all over the world celebrating Caspa's 3rd year anniversary, birthday, whatever. So that's, some people think, well, that's just, that's side fringe news, but our ambassadors are kind of our marketing arm of Caspa, and if in an unofficial way, but we're continuing to see that grow and boom under Luke has now taken the reins to run that, so that's been great. So excited about that. I mean, there's nothing to say definitively, but I'm still excited about seeing some of these enterprise projects start to take shape. So I think you're going to see some new roadmaps coming out from the KI project to showcase a lot of those things that were revealed in Dublin, which were epic and in some great visions. So you'll see that coming out with not timelines, but just how things are going. What are next steps, and how the increasing innovation and technology of Caspa is going to help propel that.
Amazing. Gentlemen, I want to thank you for joining us. And you.
There you have it, guys. Yeah. Oh my God. Now you can see what I'm talking about. Okay. Smart contracts get added. Gigawatt stable coins get added. The banking system, liquidity pools, all that stuff. Now, once all that stuff get added, then you can say Caspa will be complete. You can say that. So everybody else looking at Caspa right now being bearish, and I told you guys there is no way I can be bearish on Caspa knowing what is coming, knowing big money. They are very interested in Caspa because, again, it is your opinion. My opinion, Caspa is better than Bitcoin in many, many ways. That's why I am accumulating as much as I can. Understand? So you heard it from the man. Smart contracts are coming to Caspa ecosystem. And now to Caspa, I mean, sorry, not ecosystem. The Caspa ecosystem is about to start like, it's going to be on steroids. And you think that transaction on Tron are faster? You haven't seen yet. Guys, once developers starts to know that Caspa can, instant payments, like I don't know if you look at how people kind of hack your transactions, okay? Because Bitcoin is I think is it 10 seconds, 10 minutes, whatever. They use the bots to attack the transaction. They can steal the money from you. But when the transaction is instant, the bots don't have time to react. That's how it is. Okay, so yeah, you can be bearish if you want, but I'm telling you, Casper is the next. Hold on. Let me take a sip of coffee again, one more time. I am so excited right now. Okay, so now let's go look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. Although some people are still bearish, okay, let's look at this. Wow, the entire market is following Bitcoin. Okay, most only a few things are green, and among the green things, look at who is shining green right there. The king itself, Casper. Casper is is up to there when 90 or even 95% of the market is red. Anyways, now let's go look at it first. Okay, Casper, the king itself. Here you can see Casper is up 1.2% for the past hour, 2.3% up on the day, guys, 6.3% down on the week, 20.2% down on the month, and 126% up on the year. Now you look at Quant QNT. Look at Quant. We are down 0.23% in the last hour, 1.5% down on the day, 4.3% down on the week, 16.2% down on the month, and 41.4% down on the year. That number is like it's laying flat, it's not moving. Okay, and now we look at Jasmy, JAS, the Jasmy coin. We are down 0.32% on the last hour, 1.2% up on the day. Down on the day, 3.2% down on the week, 10.7% down on the month, and 340% up on the year. So, guys, from what we can see, the rest of the market, I think, corrected with Bitcoin. But if you remember 2 days ago, I told you guys when Bitcoin went all the way to $73,000. Excuse me real quick. Let me put this here. When it went all the way up there, I told you guys it was weird because Bitcoin did not come back and retest that resistance as support. Normally, when you see that kind of price action, it usually go up and come down and retest. If it doesn't retest, it's going to break down. It's going to break it and turn into support resistance again. Sorry. So that's what we're looking at Bitcoin doing right now. Like it went all the way up 73,000, broke. It's supposed to retest that 71. Okay, but it broke down below it, so it went down to, I think it was 67,000, and now it's trying to come back up there. Now let's see what Bitcoin is going to do. Remember, it's the weekend, so price action on the weekend usually be different than price action on during the week. So now let's go look at the prices in a little bit details. Okay, trading view. Let's go here, trading view. Now we're gonna start with Casper. Okay, this is Casper on the 4 hourly. Okay, you guys remember I told you we're just gonna try to brush this as quick as we can. Okay, so if you remember, I told you we were moving upwards, and as you can see right here, like I said, we usually try to retest that the resistance, okay, and see if we can break it. You see, we tested it perfectly right now, came down. Okay, now we are still riding into the ribbon again. Like I said the last time, I'm expecting Casper to try to break it. That's why I'm telling you guys, yes, we are looking bullish, price is going up, but I want to see the price of Casper break this resistance right here, which is between 12.4 to 12.6 cents. That's what we're looking at. Once Casper break this resistance, come back, turn it into support, then we start looking at trying to retest the moving average, the 200 moving average. So yeah, that is what's happening right now. If you go under 1 hourly, you will even see it better. If you look at it on the 1 hour chart right there, see, That's what happened right there. It went up, retested, got rejected. Now we are riding the ribbon again, and now we're trying to go up again to see if we can retest and break it this time. Okay, other than that, you just got to be careful. If you did not get in a trade in what you say it, way below, around that 11 or 10 cents or something like that, you should not be getting into trade unless you want to scale it up. Okay, so yeah, that is what's happening with Casper. When you look at Quant, again, Quant is moving with Bitcoin. That's the only issue right now with Quant. Price action still the same. So if you look at Quant USDT, let me try to zoom it up on the 1 hourly because I want you to see the lines exactly here. Quant is moving with Bitcoin, and we are having the issue is that since Bitcoin is trying to correcting right now, we are waiting for it to finish. Once it's done, the momentum is going to come back up again. As you can see, Quant came up there, retested the support as resistance. Bitcoin got corrected. Quant is also correcting with it. So right now, I don't think there is too much of price action on Quant right now, because again, a lot of people think Quant is bearish. I think this is bullish because again, look at where the moving average is, way up there at $65. Look at where the price is. Like I said, just as it played out yesterday with the last 2 days with Casper, is the same thing that is going to happen with Quant. See, this price action is going to try to break this resistance, turn it into support, and because the moving average is acting as a magnet, it always draws the price towards itself. So for me, I don't see the reason why people are bearish on Quant right now. As a matter of fact, I've told you guys, you need to always zoom out. Okay, zoom out on Quant and you will understand why I am so bullish on Quant. Because like this right here, let's go on the weekly. If you zoom out on the weekly, look, price action is forming a big W patterns, and you guys know W patterns are very bullish. Okay, see, come down, retest, when came down, now we are forming the second leg. Once we break the neckline at $81, price action is about to go to 104, then we're talking about $110. $110, we're talking about the ultimate target right here, $125. Okay, so yeah, you just have to sit and get ready for this. Okay, scale up your position, that way you don't get liquidated. Now let me go right quick and look at Jasmine, because Jasmine is still the same. Like I told you guys, for me, yes, long term I'm very bullish on Jasmine. Short term, I want to see Jasmine break the 2.3 cents. That's what I want to see Jasmine do. And because of Bitcoin is going down, Jasmine is going to do nothing else but follow Bitcoin. Like I said, the only coin that always moves on its own mind is Casper. Everything else in the market, like you guys already know, follows Bitcoin. So therefore, right now, that's what we are doing, like just waiting to see what Bitcoin is going to do. But regardless, guys, see, price always try to retest the moving average, and that's exactly what happened here. See, we came all the way down, tried to retest the moving average, got rejected, came down again. I'm expecting it to do the same. Try to retest the moving average again. For all of you who are scared of the price action of Jasmine right now, you shouldn't be, because Jasmine, as long as we are above the 1.5 cents, Jasmine is perfectly good. There's nothing to be feared about. Okay, 1.5 cents, that means we are still in the uptrend. Okay, we are still in the uptrend. Guys, let me go on the daily. I want to show it to you right quick. If you've been following my channel, you will know that I had these lines drawn for a while now, and this is the 2.3 cents price I'm telling you about. I want to see Jasmine break this. So for me, it is still bullish. Okay, but it's just like Bitcoin is going down, and we just have to play along with Bitcoin. Therefore, you just have to wait. Right now, you see Jasmine is going sideways. Okay, this is a falling wedge. All you have to do, retest it, go back up, probably gonna come and retest it again and go back up, or who knows, it's the weekend. If Bitcoin takes off again and starts to go towards $70,000, $71,000, you will see Jasmine take off and try to retest these 2.3 cent price levels again. But anyways, now I do not condone leverage trading. I've said it time before, and I have to say it in every video that I make, because guys, there are some people that think leverage trading is that easy. Please do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because if you do, you are going to lose your money very, very fast. Okay, you have to practice with $10, with $5. If you can turn $10 into 20 into 50, then yes, then you are ready to do bigger things. Understand? Anyways, once you are ready, and if you think, or if you think you are good enough with it, guys, below I have the two best exchanges ever. Okay, we have Phemex and you have Bydfi. Sign up, get the $3,000 bonuses, and start trading. You can either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. Okay, I don't care about that side. Okay, as long as you are making money, because let's face it, bull run should probably will be ending in the next 8 to 10 months. Once the bull run is over with, all I care about that we sit here and celebrate that we made money. Okay, now let's go look at my positions first. We're going to start with the new ones. Okay, which on my Margex. Let's see real quick. Margex here. Like you guys know, yesterday I was up 20%, right? Today, as you can see, price is still going up. Like I said, we still want to see KAS in the ranges of 12.4 to 12.6 cents. Once it turns that a daily candle closes on those prices, then yes, the upwards momentum has confirmed. But the thing, like, it looks like so far so good, we're doing good. I have 3 trades here. Okay, you can see the first one is doing perfectly good. I am up 29%, which is $294. The second trade, yeah, perfectly good. I'm up 27%, which is almost $700. And the other one too, I'm up 26%, which is $684. Guys, these trades, I'm hoping that the price keeps going up to the targets I just mentioned, because I want to maintain these trades long term. I want to use this money to multiply my KAS holding. I showed you guys yesterday, just at $1. Okay, this one, let's say if it goes back up to the all-time high 21 cents, this thing will make me almost $8,000. Okay, you know, if I keep it open to $1, it will make me $75,000. Look at that. And then this one, you see, if I keep it up until KAS gets to $1, it will make me $192,000 multiplied by 2, because I have 2 of them of almost the same size. There you have it. Okay, so now let's go look at my Bydfi right quick. This is one of my best exchanges, because it lets me scale up my trades. Okay, it lets me scale up my trade. That's why I like it. Today on my Bydfi, as you can see, I am up. Oh, it came down a little bit. I'm still up 7,200. Yesterday I was up 7,400. But anyways, if you look at my contracts, okay, my contracts on my KAS, I am still down 61%. Okay, which is $3,000. It's moving, because I was the other day I was down 75%, but it's moving. And for quant, I am down 27%, which is 1,900. Again, guys, don't do like me, please, because I trade at high leverage. That's why my positions move so fast and very big quantities, because I take a lot of risk. You know, higher risk, higher rewards. But please don't do like me. Okay, now let's go look at let's go here, look at Phemex, my Phemex trade right there. On my Phemex trade, let me sign in. My Phemex trade, you can see I am up overall almost $10,000. Okay, price dropped again. As you can see, Bitcoin came down. I am up almost $10,000 right there, $10,000. And then if you look at my contracts, on my Jasmine contract, I am still down 40%, which is $4,600. On my Casper, yeah, I am also still down 53%, which is $3,000. As you can see, that one changed too. The other day I was almost down 75%. So anyways, price is moving and it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Again, guys, you guys are looking at this and I'm telling you guys, you can take profits on these things, okay? Because We have elections coming up. For me, I think the prices for elections, let me go here. For me, I think the prices for the election have been priced in. You know what they say, the buy the news, sell the rumor, whatever. I think they've been priced in. Whether Trump wins or Kamala wins, whatever happened, I think if Kamala wins, then we might see down more pressure, like a price is going down a little bit. But if Trump wins, I think Bitcoin will start to move, but it won't jump as people expect. I think that's why we saw the rally go all the way up to $73,000. I think that is that was what was supposed to happen in election day. But anyways, let's see what happened. I might be wrong. But anyways, if you want to take profits in Jasmine, if all of a sudden things change and the price start to run, these are the excuse me. These are the price places I will do that if I were you. But for me, no. I've told you I want to keep my Jasmine trades open until, first of all, let's see 30 cents, then we'll look at 60 cents, or then $1. Depends on how they do their lockup. But hey, guys, for me, if I was trading short term, okay, I would look at 4.5 cents. 4.5 cents, they will make me $18,000. That's if you want to take profit, that's one of them. After that, I will look at 8 cents. 8 cents, it will make me $47,000. After that, I will look at 12 cents. 12 cents, this will make me $80,000. Or you can also wait to 15 cents, because for 15 cents is the golden pocket for Jasmine. At 15 cents, this will make me $104,000. After that, we also have a price action at 20 cents. At 20 cents, I found out there's a lot of resistance there at 20 cents. So yeah, you might want to look at it. So if you're like me, I don't really care because my price points is higher than that. But anyways, 20 cents, it will make me $146,000. That's a good place. Another one you want to look at is going to be at 30 cents. 30 cents, this will make me $229,000. Okay, and again, the next price point you want to look at, for me, 60 cents, because for me, I think Jasmine, without the lockup and all that stuff, it can easily hit that 60 cents. 60 cents, it will make me $477,000. Now, if they start the lockup and it doesn't perform that good, we're looking at $1. Okay, at $1, this will make me $800,000. Now, if the lockup goes good, you probably be looking at Jasmine going up to $2 or $3. At $2, I have $1.6 million. I think for me, I think I will be closing that trade right here. Whether the price goes higher or not, I will be closing the trade right here. So again, if you go look at it, my Margec is doing perfectly good, guys. Margec is doing perfectly good. Like I said, we are going up easily, steadily, easy and but steady. We're going up. So yeah. There you have it, guys. Smart contracts are coming sooner than a lot of people think. And once smart contracts get in, the gigawatt stable coins get in, guys, carbon credit, which are worth trillions of dollars, are going to get added to the Casper ecosystem. And guys, that will be Casper on steroids. A lot of money going to be made. I hope that you are in it. I hope you can eat part of that pie and don't sit on the sideline. Okay, that being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please subscribe. I want to make it up to 5,000 subscribers if possible. Please like and share, because the more you share, the more people with millionaire minds like you and I see this information, and we can trade ideas. Also, please comment. I would like to know what you think about what we just talked about. Okay, please. Okay, that being said, guys, just take good care of yourselves. Okay, until I see you in my next one. Bye bye.